In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive video still processing. If you've uploaded a video to Google Drive and see the video still processing message, it means the upload is done, but Google is converting the file so it can play in the browser. That's normal and usually takes a few minutes for small clips and longer for HD or 4K files. But if it sits there for many hours or even days, something's off, and we'll walk through what to do. First, give it a little time, but not too much. Smaller videos often finish within minutes. Large, high-resolution files can take hours. Processing is affected by file size, resolution, and the speed and stability of your internet. If it's been more than 24 to 48 hours, move on to the fixes. Start by checking your internet connection. Make sure the upload actually completed. If the upload was interrupted, processing can stall. Try switching to a faster or more stable network and avoid heavy bandwidth use while uploading. One of the most effective fixes is to re-upload the video. Delete the stuck file from Drive, then upload it again. Before you do, convert the video to MP4 using H.264 for video and AAC for audio. Many editors export to this standard, and it's the most compatible with Drive. Some uncommon formats or codecs don't process well and can cause endless processing messages. If re-uploading doesn't help, try a simple file name change. Rename the file using only letters, numbers, dashes, or underscores. Avoid special characters like exclamation points or symbols. Then upload the newly named file. If you're using Chrome, clear your browser cache. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete, choose All Time, select cache and cookies, clear them, and restart the browser. A corrupted cache can interfere with Drive's preview processing. Next, update your browser. In Chrome, go to Settings, then About, and install any available updates. Outdated browsers can break video previews. It can also help to sign out of your Google account and sign back in. This refreshes your session and can kick off any stuck background tasks. While you're troubleshooting, remember you can download the video from Drive even if it says processing and play it locally. Processing mainly affects the web preview, not the actual file. Lastly, check for file problems. Extremely large files, corrupted exports, or unsupported formats can prevent processing from finishing. Try playing the file locally, re-exporting from your editor to MP4 H.264 AAC, or trimming an unusually long file. Most issues come down to slow internet, large or high-resolution videos, unsupported formats, browser problems, or a temporary Google server hiccup. Follow these steps and your video should preview correctly in Drive.